This one is Donald Trump
Donald Trump.
fighting with Cyril Ramaphosa.
Hey, he
And
chowed
Cyril
him.
Ramaphosa is sitting his pants.
Ah, it's big time.
He's breathing with his ass.
South Africa go.
Yeah.
Suphu kuyo, lo suphu ndikuyo ngoku. Nami sesuphile, ngoku sesuphile. Ngoku nesuphu yakhe nje. Kushiyana i-flavor zesuphu. Amen. Kushiyana i-flavor. But sesuphini sonke. Lo suphu yo nomdala unesuphu yakho, nomncinci unesuphu yakhe, abakhulayo, ubaba sibaqeqeshi banesuphu zabo ezibalindileyo.
Your African parents don't understand your haircut. Wayutsho ke into lesekhona nje. Uchebe phi apho yabuza utata. Ndolo uchebile. That's the new ChatGPT voice mode using isiXhosa.
Thetha kahle.
Oh, njengona nubo masithathe kanjinzi. Ungathanda ntoni kanye ukukhuba ngakho. Naba yimthaso yesitshatshulwa.
Jonga, ndifuna unincedisa apha fondini man. So ndifuna ungicacisele ngoba yintoni umahluko.
Kulungile, masijonge inketho. Kodwa ndizamela kukulandela. Kodwa ezinye iindawo zerekhodi azisuch. Labo uthetha ukuba i-ChatGPT okanye i-web app inenkakhi. Nabayayeka ukufendula okanye ayisafenduli nje. Sawundikuselela mqwatyali. Ningakuntshela sibonde isizathu.
Hey. Sezinye izixhobo. Hayi.
Ubathole baboyithula apha endlini.
Yenza kangaka kumendele yonke into. Imali yami. Imali esekhaya, imali.
Ukhalela ubaby kanye ukhalela imali. Thini lento?
Guys, please, I bought something on Shein. I bought this jean on Shein. They just delivered the jean now. I want you guys to see what Shein has done to me.
Yo.
Iyavuma ndezana kakuhle lefoda that your bloody basket you move yavuma uvakwanda bombe umhlanje nje manje
Ezancoko kulindele u1.
Ababhoza umthombo egazi that your bloody basket ngikhela masika.
Kanimajida ninjani? Nginiletha la eRomeni ngithi sizophuzani kahle singaphuzeli ngaphandle. Kuphela utshwala niphuze izwasho zami. Hayi.
Ifoni yendoda amayikhala uyayithatha uyisendodeni la ifoni yakhe ikhala.
Good.
Ayibukwa ifoni yendoda ikhala nje iqenqeleze ngoba lokho kuyawubhidliza umuzi ntanami. Akuyenteki ngani?
What is this called?
Speed pump.
Speed bump.
Speed bump.
What is this called?
Road.
Cycle.
Roundabout.
Roundabout. Yes.
What is this called?
Traffic.
Many cars.
Traffic jam.
Traffic jam.
What is this called?
Stop sign. Stop nonsense.
Stop nonsense.
What is this called?
Side road.
Shoulder.
Shoulder.
What is this called?
Two road.
Crossroads.
Crossroad.
What is this called?
Four road.
Intersection.
Four.
Intersection.
Intersection.
What is this called?
Toll gate.
Toll booth.
Booth.
What is this called?
Up road.
Overpass.
Overpass.
What is this called?
Yellow blood.
Okay. Lana ngiphathele challenge
Hey,
ngiphathele challenge
that's hilarious.
with Bix ne. Ungakhona kuyingendela yona in 30 seconds to win a 5 tiger. Yabo.
5 tiger. Kwenzani?
Game on.
Game on azame man.
Okay, but my brother na le with Bix lakho ne.
Okay.
Kwenzani with Bix?
Khetha le ya.
Sicala nyana.
Yeah, stala nyana.
Yo.
Lokutshela. Okay. 3 2 1 go.
Yo, with Bix it try kanga.
I'm not blind ne. Leda la blowel. 10 seconds udlulile.
It was over.
Leda, yangen. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Vula mlomo phela sibone ukuthi vula mlomo.
Yeah, uzofa umndwe challenge.
Yabona manje 30 seconds wakho.
Jonga ngapha wayiluza lo 5 tiger.
Sesidlulile isikhathi. Brother yabona ukuthi ukhonile kuyena le challenge lena although uhlulekile ne ungabatshelane mibukeli.
Oh!
Angizamile liphileke lilodwa litries.
Zabile ne. Asibonge my brother.
Who said men cannot buy groceries?
Yo, sakubeni. Asabe kulela siyavuka kuthiwa siyabizwe insizwe nganda isapheli.
Ubisi inyanga yonke mna nami.
Nomgqibelo sibiziwe siyakhona.
At least nathi protein amaqanda khona.
Wakithi. Ngicela ukunikeza imali yakho next month. Ngimatasa kakhulu kule nyanga. Yo, uyandibetha bhuti. Uyangicana nyani. Yo, ubolekisa ngemali kuyafana nozikake. Akuyafana nozinyela nyani.
230 ukulungisa ikhanda. Hawu ngeke nidlala ngemali nina. Hayi nina niyakanga ayisuka. Abafuseka bayeka. Hawu ngeke. Hawu 230 leyo mali ngicela ukuthi icoshwa phansi. Wemonde yenza amagodo okanye yenza ubrasta ekhanda. Kodwa bakuqhina imtsompi yokungenani. Hawu ngeke phela dlisa ikhanda ngithe mina shuqula ubophe kahle iduku lakho vele kuyabanda manje.
Was on payday. Eish. Hayibo. Handshake.
Hayi malume inkinga usho istayela kubo. Amshitshela istayela kubo. Amshitshela istayela. Give me my friend. Give me my friend. Amupesa istayela malume. Amupesa istayela malume. Amshayela ngikarashi malume. Ha. Bathatha unyawo ulibeka la. Alibeka la ekhanda malume. Give me my friend. Give me my friend.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Malume. How did you discover you can do that?
Hayi malume inkinga. Hayi inkinga malume.
Hey, Malume.
Hayi malume ngeke uyingozi.
Hayi ndoda liyasoza. Elinje inyawo. Nani? Indoda engazange ihambeze.
Ayazibona azazi. Ayazazi. Phumani. Hayibo. Phumani. Phuma kwathini.
Hayi jina amakhoyo ngafuna ndoni imicimbini kakade.
Lengoizi waphuma manje nawe.
Kupya. Amadala la makhoyo. Danko buda yami. What a long way from Johannesburg to Cape Town for a drunk man to sit next to me. Yo, khulula nezohlanga. Ekuse. Boss usayisaphi basket. Nami zophumia mina nayo le basket le. Yeah, nami sicela sesikoro sayo boyiphethe ne-oil. Yeah. Again. Hey, public transport. It's yo. Hey. Yo. Yena bo yika no icima iqale eqaleni yayihlamba iphinde start kwa ustart. Eish.
Yape. Angoku yabanda uthon bazawuthi kuyabanda abazowukhonza. Kodwa bancekele lo generation akanane hita eliphambi ke-TV yagodola ubona ba amadola yakhakhazela namazinyo ufuna uva ba izawuphelela la party ye-love kabani ba bayohlukana namhlanje ku-generation akanani awuthatha iBhayibhile yakhe ayifunde agodole efunda iBhayibhile ugodole ebhizi ngezinto ezingazomsangala. Amen. Shinyela lokho ngicala nendithethayo. Unubona umuvango unubona ama-India lathi namhlanje affective ne-Africans bagcwela ama-India bagcwela osala amaphenhloko bagcwela ngelizwi lakhe uthi lo mfo zinikele ke imfundiso bathi kana befika phezulu funeke bethethe ngoThixo babone babathi istoki apha bathetha ngoThixo bawenze ntoni izolo. Abantu abazotya istoki apha phela uthethe ithi le verse bangumzekelo ngentetho with words ngamazwi xa sithi thetha ngoThixo mntana andifuni apha uncancazele thetha ba uThixo wenze ntoni. Awunoba nentoni ngoThixo ungabe nantoni ngomlevo no.
Yeah, ngaliphinde ecaweni engabe kumnandi mase ecaweni.
Side zabanika abazalwana abasindisiweyo mama umphongo awubahleli nje
mfundisi.
ziliqhaza babize.
Ekse. Yesuthi. Ngaye kuthi. Ayishiya pa mntanami. Mna ke nase Eastern Cape kube nje yabo Western Cape akudlalwa traffic zapha ngathi azisele country.
Bawuspanyoli manje ulimele manje wase ubhalisa statement owena uzenzele sona wakhuluma iqiniso statement sakho sokuqala.
Ngimhlola kamzamo le imhlola yami straight hayi ngenelwa indlendleni la hayi ngiyahlolela straight.
This is a miracle. No, it's not like a dog now entering my premises or inside my house. Really, this is a miracle to me.
Is that your only response?
I've never shot Bauspanyoni. What was the reason for me to have shot him?
Well, what about accidentally?
That is from you, my brother.
On your version,
my brother,
they were on the other side.
She bought shoes.
My mom bought shoes from them. Sticker Moses, I don't know.
What is it, Mama?
Istika.
Yabona umnotho uma usubheda kanje sesidla ngisho amasende
Hayibo.
bafowethu. Hayi.
Imali ni 8 rand
Uka amasende ashibhe kanjani bafowethu? Ngeke uhlubeke mfana.
8 rand.
Amasende enkunzi amasende. Ayashiswa noma yabiliswa noma wafiliswa nosichaze bafowethu. Na amasende. Athi amnandi.
Liphele sini.
Ngiyazi ukuthi bafana Maskandi. Iyiphi ingoma aMaskandi oyithandayo?
Angilaleli lonto leyo mina. Hayi. Maskandi. Hayi ndoda Maskandi mina mfethu. Mina ngibona abantu abalalela Maskandi mina mfethu ngathi hayi bafuna ngathi abaphilile kahle la ekhanda. Maskandi ngibona ngathi aba insizwa yomzulu ekhatha hawafo yes mfethu Maskandi nje mfethu ngikuthatha serious nje mfethu ngibona umuntu waseMaskandi la princess la horrific. You know what I mean, especially mabe kuntombazane. Ubafu. Usuku nebhat nepetrol intombazane Maskandi. Ngeke into face why R&B face olali R&B la hip hop la amapiano at least dance. Maskandi dog. Hayi ukhuzana umkhuzeni uthandeke uba umthandeni uba
Yakanga ke manje iqhawe lami le.
Uba ubunye uba abanye bacuma Maskandi abantu badayi face uzama amagama abo do face Maskandi ngikuthanda nje face mina it's hip hop nigga I'm screw nigga screw fana na you know what I mean yabo kuza he baba kamthalo Maskandi I don't bro, I find Maskandi as a genre laughable, like shocking. Yabo, so nguthatha serious. Mangawubulula umuntu la Maskandi ngiyabona la ukuthi kumele sikuse kwa Wikipedia. Le ndawo enhlanu uhlanu noDube noMantolwane lapha. So hayi Maskandi.
Mantolwane ungenapi ngo?
Mambalo.
Ali boyfriend kamama wenu le?
Nayi.
No boyfriend yakhe ngokya.
Oh, khawa mlahla ukhetha wena.
Yeah, lahla leparo.
Mbi.
Hayi. Ngibona msinamba nje. Nginqobileka le asuka. Unadibanisana nale ntwana. Asuka. Walahla le ntwana yalahla le ntwana. Ubona yena.
Ngwejike mama.
Hayibo.
That's 25, you know?
25. Mbi.
Mbi le ntwana le. Shi.
Tobu yamashiya
Nje bamu ngosikazi wami yebo.
Yabona lo ngathanda ufota ke.
Yazidalele.
Uyarostwa ngo.
Dalele
Hawu ngidamlahla mama. Ngengitata wenu ngiyathanda bo.
Ayu.
Ngengitata wenu iya.
Anyan. Mama.
Hayibo.
Theni mama. Amvumo mama kulumfana. Kodwa ngathi babe ku-matric dance nje mntanami. Babe ku-matric dance.
Kanye model.
Yeah.
Kanye uqeshiwe Hayat.
Wow, looking beautiful. Let's
Okanye uqeshiwe okanye uHayat bena. Yabona lo ngathanda ufota ukuyarostwa ngokungekho nobakho. Uhlekisela umfundisi uthi abantu bamonca izitoki ecaweni abanando thetha ngelizwi lenkosi. I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu. Until the next one. Salute lapho.
Come and vibe with me. Real South Africa is what you see. Funny reactions, hidden gems. Culture people, we discover them. Every journey tells a story true. Welcome to Amani. This adventure's made for you.